Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. A true comfort food meal is never the same, guys, without honey butter cornbread. So in today's baking episode, we are going to be making honey butter cornbread. Let's get started. Let's get into the ingredients. You are going to need cornmeal, flour, cream corn, milk, sugar, eggs, oil, salt, and baking powder. First things first, lightly grease the baking pan and set aside. Now let's start with the dry ingredients. Here in my bowl, I have mixture of flour, cornmeal. We're gonna go ahead and add baking powder. We're gonna follow with salt, then sugar, then we're gonna mix to combine. Once all that is well combined, we're gonna go ahead now and add the wet ingredients. We're gonna start with the cream corn. Next, we're gonna go in with oil. You can use canola or vegetable oil, guys. Add well-beaten eggs. We're gonna also go in with milk. Then, using a spatula, we're gonna mix everything together. Then we're gonna switch and use the whisk to mix everything until smooth. I have the oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna go ahead and pour batter into a prepared baking pan, then bake for 40 to 50 minutes. I just pulled out the cornbread out of the oven, guys. It smells amazing in here. Meanwhile, we're gonna combine warm butter with 2 tablespoons of honey. Then we're gonna brush the honey butter all over the cornbread while it's still hot. I forgot to mention that to tell if your cornbread is done, insert a toothpick in the center, and if it comes out clean, that means your cornbread is done. Guys, this is a sweet cornbread. It's amazing. This recipe is a keeper. If you're gonna make this recipe, know that your family will be asking for it all the time. Slice, warm, and enjoy. I cannot tell how excited I am to share this cornbread with you guys. You can serve with chili, soups, fried chicken, and spicy dishes. This is our go-to family recipe for over 10 years, guys. Bake a batch of this buttery soft cornbread for your next dinner and watch it fly. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. There you have it, guys. Honey butter cornbread. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.